Oh, is that it? Now you're gonna smash the guitar?
No, my turn to sing.
Well, I think it's time for bed.
No, my turn.
Oh.
One more last song.
Encore, encore. Okay, what's this song called? What are you gonna call this song?
Megan Hoppy.
What did you say?
Megan what?
No.
Okay, well name your song.
It is called Mommy and Daddy Doll.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Daddy and these. So you can sing along. I have pictures and my dollhouse and TV. And we listen to music this the album. So you can sing along to me. It's a go to you can see. Katie, just give me one.
Katie wants to help. Katie, why don't you sing backup?
You want to sing some more, Katie, too?
You can do rest, please.
Oh, you can do the. She can do the rest.
Yes.
Oh, well, that was a great start. Good work. Let's see if she holds true to your vision of the song.
Here, let me help.
You want to help her?
Yes. Katie, let me. No, Katie, let me help. No,
She's trying to help you, Katie.
no.
Look, she's trying to help you.
Hey, Kate, she's trying to help you put the guitar on.
This is like a
Hey,
VH1 special.
stop.
Whatever happened to you.
Okay.
And the band broke up.
Katie's trying to get away, protected by Dad.
Oh no.
So cute.